Sit on a bucket.
Harbor Freight bucket.
Hey, put the creeper in there. No shit. With the black interior and everything, the black seats. Nice. It's just crazy to see it coming from all the tan from what I was used to sitting in.
I think I might just leave the headliner alone just so I can get straight into business with it.
Yeah. Leave it like that. Get her on the road. Hey, you ready? Did you reroute those drains already?
Yeah, I had.
Yeah, that looks like new hardware right there.
I gotta do it on the driver's side though. Forget about that.
Yeah.
Driver's side.
The passenger was real bad. Have puddles in the floor all the time. That's nice though, man. Definitely getting her going.
Straight, bro.
Got a little something on the ground right here.
It's some spilled coolant.
Look like snot. It's still dripping right now. It just dripped. So this is the 2013 Infiniti G37 Sport that I totaled on the highway. Came into contact with the semi truck. It smashed up the passenger side right here and knocked me over into the center median wall there and smashed up the driver's side as well. My brother actually got the car off the auction. Has been reconstructing it. So I'm definitely about to get a cold start on that. It's been sitting for a long time, several months. Probably like 8 months since this car started. Trying to find something to sit in. I think he's gonna throw a seat in it real quick. He's been reconstructing the interior with parts that he got from another G37 Sport. With the black interior, this one was tan on the interior. He's going with a black. This one had caught fire. He got it off the auction here. And it had decent interior parts. I think it was a 12 or 13 model Sport. Engine bay caught on fire here, and he's been pulling parts from that to reconstruct this one. But this one's come a long way, that's for sure. This whole front side over here was just smashed up to pieces. It's got a bit of rear damage here on the quarter panel. Get that sorted. Yeah. I always wanted to throw black in this car too. It's awesome to see that. Shoot, yeah, bro. It's gonna be hot as hell in the summer. It looks good though, man. Definitely a work in progress. It's awesome. If you don't bolt the seat down, it gives you that better like rocking effect when you're sliding mid drift. You really get in there, get the full effect.
You're really slipping and sliding.
Yes, sir. You got the shifter secured back down? There's a little loosey-goosey.
I put it on there just a little bit, just to hold it.
Yeah. A little bit of damage on the wheels. I think he's going to try to put new faces on these. And these are the step lips. Just going to go with the flat straight out. I think these are like 10.5 inch wide. Kind of been smoothed out around the edges there. That's where it hit the truck. Came in contact with the semi. He completely replaced all these front components right here. All the suspension parts. It's all smashed in. The wheel was like slanted in while the steering wheel was straight. It was a mess. Got all that sorted out. It's much better now.
You need to roll it down, probably where your car is at.
All right, right on.
Just because I don't want to throw all that in the garage.
For sure. That's good. Where you need it?
Well, I need to get all the way down there so I can get back in.
Oh, okay. I'll go get my keys.
Yeah.
I have the keys. Ha ha ha.
Got good audio?
I do believe so. Better pull the phone out for a secondary backup just in case.
Oh, yeah.
You know.
Yeah, no, I had changed that.
Yeah, this thing's been through storms, man. That's from 20. That shit is old.
I think it needs a new one now.
Man, this thing's died a few times and been brought back to life somehow. But I promise you one thing, you take that bitch to O'Reilly's, they ain't gonna tell you it's bad. They gonna say you got a bad cell.
Hey, sir, you have a bad battery here?
Man, I'm telling you, you'll buy a battery from them, walk it around the building and bring it back in and tell them to charge it. And they're gonna be like, yeah, you got a bad cell, you need a new one. All right, buddy. These guys. Got some nice little camber to it in the front.
That's how you had it, for sure.
Yeah, it looks good. It's awesome to see it back rolling again, man. I was thinking this car was toast.
It needs a little work.
Yeah, she's getting there slowly but surely, man. It's awesome.
Slow journey.
That's for sure. Somebody got to do it.
Roll this thing down here.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely gonna have to be pushed because that rear fender's all in the tire.
Go try the whip, hey.
Had a little charge on it, got the key. It's about to, if you want to set it up to where you can see all of it shoot out there.
Yeah, right on.
Let me have it. You in 0.5? Like that close?
So what?
Are you in 0.5? With the camera?
Yeah. With this one, it's just the angle to see on the back. Well, the GoPro can see the whole car.
Oh yeah, that's what I was really asking.
Yeah.
The GoPro. That's a crazy view for to be able to see the whole car.
For sure, it's got a very wide lens on it. I gotta dial in on the settings as well. You can put different modes, different frame rates, different what you call it, ratios and all that good stuff as well. Oh, the snake's moving. It's trying to crawl off. Where you going, buddy? That's crazy. I thought we got here like an hour ago. Anyways. That's crazy. You got some connection?
Might start.
It might. Maybe. She's alive. Let's go.
Hear that power steering pump? It ain't got the fluid in it.
Okay.
That's all that is.
Hey, that boy's moving though, brother. We got motion. Let's go. It's alive.
Sit in the front row.
That's awesome, man. It's great to see it.
Now we got an empty driveway. It's a long gas.
Yeah, time to refill it, man. We need some more projects. Let's go. Better bring the wagon up here. Hey.
I'm gonna say that shit with no front bumper.
Put a bash bar on that Johnson.
The Z1 one.
You know? Yeah, this is about to be a drift build. The rear fender already cooked. You might as well go on and slide it. Yeah, man. Hit us up, man. Let's go.
Get that thing for 4,500. As is.
4,500. Nah, 5,000. You got to bring the 5. It's a 2013 Sport manual. Got to come with 5 shit 6. Oh well, yeah. We need the fender over here first. Hey, yeah. We working though, man. This is awesome. Yeah, we got motion, man. That's awesome. Dude, y'all stay tuned to see what happens, man. We got plenty of stuff coming up. Lots more projects going, and see what happens with this bad boy. Throwing some more parts on it and all kinds of stuff. Gonna get it out on the road soon. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think, man. Catch y'all on the next one. Stay in motion. You said what?
Are you in 0.5 with the camera?
Yeah.
Oh,